Hello, thanks for stopping by today. If you are interested in the supplies and measurements for today's card, there is a link in the information section below to the blog post with all the details. And here's the cute card we're going to make. I loved this set when I saw it, and it's because of this flower in here. I thought it paired very well with the Ornate Garden set. So I ordered it, and I love it because it's got a thank you and a happy birthday sentiment in it. This is part of a kit, but you can order the stamp set separately. So I did. We got a poinsettia for Christmas. We've got some roses. This is the little image I'm using, and then this daisy, sunflower, black-eyed Susan, whatever you want to make it. So this is the set I used. Okay. To start off with, there's our measurements. You need a card base that's 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And I used the, what's this called? Subtle embossing folder. I had a brain cramp there for a minute. So subtle embossing folder. And I embossed just the front of it. And to do that, what I did was, the way this opens is it opens like this. I put my card base in like so and made that bottom edge even and ran it through my Big Shot like that. All right. Then we're going to take and we're going to fold this in half. It's scored, so it's fairly easy to do. And then I'm going to flip it to the back because I don't want to lose my embossing to give it a good crisp fold. To make that background, I use the Tasteful Touches in this image here. It just gives it a little bit of texture going across. And I use the Granny Apple Green ink. So I'm going to stamp this, and I will be stamping off, so I'm going to pull in a scrap paper. And I'm just going to add it there. Now, if it bothers you, you can very easily, and I'm going right about the middle, you can stamp this before you emboss it, but really and truthfully, it doesn't really, there's so little showing that it doesn't matter. I'm going to just slide this over. And I'm going to do this last one. I tried to make it straight, but going uphill. But that's okay. All right. Now, the next thing I did was I took scrap paper and I took that image and I inked it up with Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I stamped it on scrap paper, and then using the rectangle stitched framelits, and it's actually, whoops, wrong way. It's this one here. So it's that big collection. It's the second one in. And I cut them out afterwards. Now I'm going to use my Granny Apple Green marker, and I'm going to color the leaves. And this is a quick color. It's not, don't spend a lot of time doing it. Just add some color to it and it will be fine. All right. So as you can see, it's a fairly easy color. All right. And then I wanted 2 of them with Melon Mambo. So I'm going to color both of these using the Melon Mambo. And again, it's a quick color. You don't want to go over it a bunch. The Memento can smear. I've never had issues with it, but I don't spend a lot of time on it, coloring it. If you go over it a lot, it will smear. So I just kind of do it quickly. And it takes care of the color and doesn't smear. And don't forget that little bud down at the bottom. And then the last one for some contrast, I did in Daffodil Delight. Oh, this one needs a new nib. I may have to change the nib out after this one. So, okay. So I've got those colored. I've got my background done. We're going to put these on with dimensionals. All right, and I'm going to cut a couple of strips because I'm going to need a lot of dimensionals. Okay. I don't know if you can hear that thunder in the background. Sounds like we're getting ready to have a thunderstorm. All right, and then one in each corner and one in the middle, or two in the middle. One at the top and one at the bottom. I want this one that way. All right, let me get these on. Hopefully I get my video made before the thunder and lightning really takes off. I'm almost done, so I should be in good shape. All right, there's that one, and there's that one. We're on the home stretch, yay! Oh, you can really hear it, huh? All right. And there. And now this. And that one. Okay. Now, I'm going to take all my backs off just because it's easier. So I'm going to work on getting them off. That one didn't come. Okay. It's stuck to me. Hopefully I didn't just put my head in the camera. Almost last one. Sometimes the thunder is all around us and we don't get anything from it. We just get the thunder. It doesn't rain. So we'll see. All right, now to line these up, what I did was I started with the one in the middle. Excuse me. The one in the middle, and I centered it side to side and top to bottom. Then I took one of the melon ones and I put it even with the top and I centered it evenly as much as possible on the sides. And then I did the same thing here. Just watch your tops. I think that's the key piece more than anything else. And there you have it. And don't forget, do the inside and the envelope. If you have enjoyed today's video, would you please give it a thumbs up, which is a like on YouTube. I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. Click the button below. If you want to be notified when I upload a video, click the bell next to the subscribe button. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope I inspired you with today's creation. Have a great day.